Okay, here's some more equivalent expressions. Remember, equivalent means that they're equal to each other as far as value goes. So let's look at the first one. The first one, we have a plus 2 plus 3 is equal to a plus 5. Is that a true statement? Is it equal or not equal? Well, if you look here, I have an a and an a, so that's the same, so that's okay. But here I have a 2 and a 3. Well, you can combine those together, and 3 plus 2 is 5. So bring the rest down, and as you can see, I have a plus 5 here, and I also have a plus 5. So we would say that these are equal to each other. Next, if we look down here, okay, we have n squared, or n to the power of 2, plus 3. Is that equal to n plus 3? So remember that this is repeated multiplication. So that would be n times n plus 3. If we want to write it out and think about it. And over here, remember I can put these together as multiplication because adding is the same as multiplying. So here I could be 2n plus 3. Okay, you could think of it that way also. Or look here, if you have an n times n and an n plus n, that is not the same because here you're multiplying where here you're adding. Here you have 2n, here you have n to the power of 2. Those are not equal to each other. So this one doesn't work. It's not equal to each other because an exponent is never equaled to the addition of a letter or a variable. All right, next one, we have 3x minus x equals 3x squared. So let's take a look at this one. So this one, again, remember this, okay, is x squared. It means that I have two x's here. So it means that I'm doing 3 times x times x because we're squaring it or we're doing repeated multiplication. If I look over here, I have 3 times x, which is the same, but here I'm minusing x. So as you can see, I have a minus and a multiplying. So these are not equal because of those signs are not the same. So this is not equal to each other. Okay, let's look at the last one. So again, this one I have 5y's, so that would be y plus y plus y plus y minus 6. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 y's minus 6. Is that equal to y to the power of 5 minus 6? So that means I'm going to be multiplying y 5 times. So I have y times y times y times y minus 6. So as you can see, I'm adding over here versus multiplying over here. So these are not equal because of that reason, because we're adding and multiplying.